Hello everyone, this is Nessa for ORIEMAC company. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce a powerful machine for you. Let's take a look. Now in front of us is 300 trans all-terrain cranes from SANY SAC3000. And its whole body is 17 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 4 meters high, and its wide can reach 8.3 meters when its legs are fully spread out. Look at the working arm. It has 8 section booms in total. The main boom can be fully expanded to the 87 meters. You also can choose some sub-arm or super lifting device according to your need to achieve higher lifting height about 132 meters. Now let's look at its tire. The last 8 tires are driving wheel, and all tires can be freely turned, and it can choose a lot of working methods. It's not only very fast but very flexible, so it is a combination of towing crane and the truck crane. In addition, the chassis of the crane use Weichai new engine. The 550-liter capacity can provide a superpower to drive more than 400 kilowatts. Okay, it's today's introduction. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.